Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the Soil Centrifuge in Astroneer. This is especially useful for extracting natural resources from soil by mining some soil and collecting it inside of these small canisters, which you can then place up here to get the natural resources. So, first of all, you'll need to research it inside of the Research tab. Go to the medium printer and scroll about to the third position where you find the Soil Centrifuge. You'll need about 750 bytes, so make sure you've got plenty of them. And once you've unlocked it, now we will need to have a medium printer at hand and also compounds and aluminium. To get the aluminium, you can go about to any planet that you need, and you'll need to collect some laterite. This is going to look like this, kind of a red bluish mineral, which you'll then pick up, and also you'll need a smelting furnace, in which you'll place it inside of this slot, and it is going to make you some aluminium. The second ingredient you'll need is compound, which is also found on every planet in Astroneer. You can find it on the surface or inside of caves. Not like the laterite. Laterite is only found inside of caves, so make sure to check them out. And once you found it, you want to go to the medium printer and just scroll through until you find in the first tab the Soil Centrifuge. You can see 2 times compound and 1 aluminium. This is going to take a while, and the second thing you'll need also to place it down is the large platform, as you can see, so you can connect it to the electricity grid. Now to use it, you want to just have some kind of soil in your inventory inside of these small canisters, which you can get by picking out your mining tool using the E key and just mining some soil around the planet. You can mine it from anywhere. Mine some soil. Now, with the small canister in your hand, you want to place it in the top head of this Soil Centrifuge right here, which is going to fill it up with some soil. And by pressing F, you can choose some recipes by going through these arrows. Also here, you'll see which you can craft by how much soil you'll need. So, for example, on the ammonium, you'll need to have it filled up to the brim, a full centrifuge of soil. For the quartz, you'll need only a quarter of it full, and all of that. Once you choose a recipe, you can just click on this green button. It is going to draw 6 units of energy, and once it's done, it is going to show up on this spinning thing. So make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.